Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I give you guys this look here. I wanted to play with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette again, just because the last look I did was very simple and kind of something that I do all the time. So I wanted to play a little bit more with the lighter frosty shades in the palette and a lot more of the rosy pink shades. And I got this look here. This right here. My base I had did previously off camera just because I feel like it's repetitive. You guys, I'm sure, don't want to see what I do to my face over and over and over and over. So yeah, I just went ahead and did my eyes and all that good stuff. Everything that I did use, I will have it down below in the comment section, not in the comment section, in the description section of the video. That way you guys know what I use and all that good stuff. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, please and thank you. It'll mean the world to me. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials and if you like this look here. Don't be shy. Comment down below if you guys have any suggestions or if you just want to chat. I am always willing and loving to talk to you guys. And yeah, you can follow me on all of my other social medias. I always post other things there that you guys don't see here on YouTube. So yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how I got this look here, then stay tuned and keep on watching.